Guys, for today's video, meron akong gustong pag-usapan natin na isang online lending app. Bothered ako dito sa online lending app na to kasi napaka-aggressive ng kanilang ads through Facebook. Okay lang sana kung, the normal ads na nakikita natin. Alam mo yun, aggressive lang siya. However, meron akong napansin na parang mali. Hindi ko alam kung sa kanila ba tong video na to na ginagamit nila to promote their app or their loan service. Pero alam ko, hindi sa kanila to. Ano ba to? Well, si Cred Balance. Pero nakita ko yung commercial ni Judy Ann Santos sa kanila. Paano nangyari yun? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. Titingnan natin si Cred Balance at bakit nila ginagamit itong commercial ni Judy Ann Santos. Samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Actually, hindi lang naman ito yung first time eh. Meron na rin before. I think si Mocha yung nagawan natin ng video. During that time naman, si Rufamate Quinto yung parang kinuhanan or ginamit na commercial nila. Ang commercial ni Rufamate Quinto noon is more about remittance service. Na yung commercial niya yon is yun yung ginamit sa Mocha. If gusto nyo maalala yung video na yon, you can head over to this video para makita nyo yung sinabi ko about doon. So ito na, puntahan natin itong commercial na nai-record ko with Facebook. Ayan nakalagay Cred Balance. Pero ayan si Judy Ann Santos. Ayan, parang nakalagay dito loan up to 50,000 and repay daw 50,030. Tapos ay ito si Judy Ann Santos Itong commercial na to, this existing commercial is a commercial made for Tala. And chinek ko rin yung social medias ni Tala and nakita ko nga na ito yung ginawang commercial ni Miss Judy Ann Santos for Tala. Judy Ann Santos is the brand ambassador of Tala. Diba si Kim Chu ay brand ambassador ng Bilis. Ito naman, si Judy Ann ay brand ambassador ng Tala. Yun nga yung diba? Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Bakit nila pinapakita or ginagamit itong commercial ni Tala sa Cred Balance? So ano ba? Si Cred Balance ba ay connected with Tala? Are they one in the same or are they sister company? Hindi ko po alam. So hindi ko po masasagot yun. Pero kung hindi naman, mukhang medyo misleading po itong commercial na to. Actually, misleading talaga. Kasi yung video na shinare nila is about Tala while their product is Cred Balance. Pero, sino ba itong Cred Balance na to? And bakit napaka-aggressive ng commercial niya? So ngayon, tingnan na natin kung sino ba itong Cred Balance. Okay, if you check Google Play Store, may app itong Cred Balance, which is the same logo they have dito sa commercial na to. And ito Cred Balance. Pag clinic po natin yan, makikita natin na may credit score. So, is this an app where you can get your credit score? Ito daw yung credit score details. However, this is in dollars, ha? So, sabi dito, Cred Balak, kulang pa ng E. It's a very simple financial application and an excellent expense tracker, budgeting, and fund manager tool. It has the most complete set of reporting analysis tool, effectively manage your funds, expense, revenue, and budget. So, this is a budgeting tool naman pala. Pero, bakit dito sa ads nila, sinasabi nila na only phone number and name required that you can loan 50,000 pesos and repay at only 50,320? Di ba? Napaka-misleading nito. Okay, so I installed Cred Balance but hindi sa iOS, sa Android. Okay, ito. Sabi niya, increase your credit from now. Yun daw yung sinasabi niya. So, click natin next. So, ito yung terms and condition niya. Required app permission, network access. Mag-ingat po kayo sa pagbibigay ng permission, ha. Your maximum loan amount is 60,000 pesos. Sabi nila dito, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, tapos SEC. I have to apologize, but for me, medyo sketchy na kagad siya. Medyo marami ng red flag sa akin kagad. And I would not be sharing my information. So, hindi ko po mapapakita sa inyo yung details nito. But I wanted to highlight the red flags na nakita ko about this Cred Balance. But let's go to the let's go to the Play Store para makita yung information about Cred Balance. So even here sa app nila, walang nakalagay na details about this Cred Balance. Hindi natin makita kung anong company to galing. Ito, merong Sandal Code. Yun ba yun? Yeah, Sandal Code daw ang gumawa ng app. So check natin, Sandal Code. Wala akong makita. Cred Balance. So, walang company name, walang website, walang information ng SEC. So, mahirap natin makita. I-check na lang natin. Cred Balance SEC. Wala din information. Usually, kung merong ganitong company name, lalabas naman din kagad. So, yeah, upon checking and my research, wala akong nakitang company name or SEC registration or anything that would link itong cred balance sa isang kumpanya. So, for me, napaka-sketchy neto. If I am to recommend, I would stay away from this app mismo. Hindi ko po isusugal na ilagay ang personal information ko sa isang company na ang hirap hanapin kung registered ba sila or hindi. The only thing na nakita ko is yung Sandal Code na hindi naman siya parang company dito sa Pilipinas. Merong Sandal Code na website but I don't know if this is the one kasi Sandal Code store daw siya. Napaka-aggressive po kasi talaga ng advertisement nila through Facebook. Kaya gusto ko po sana mag-ingat po kayo dito. Be cautious na mag-apply or maglagay ng personal information dito. Kasi we cannot verify at this time kung kaninong kumpanya to. Are they even really registered with SEC and being monitored by BSP? Wala po tayong alam. So for me guys, you have to hold your horses. Let's wait and see kung magkakaroon later ng development information about this app before you even try or check. In summary po, ang mga nakita po nating red flags with this loan app is, una is yung kanilang advertisement. Ginamit po nila yung advertisement ng tala, wherein hindi naman po sila under ng tala, or I don't know kung tala ba sila or hindi. But I'm sure na hindi. Pangalawa, they are advertising na mag-loan kayo sa kanila. However, sa details ng app, sa information ng app, budgeting tool sila. Pangatlo, they don't have information about the company kung sino nagpapautang. Walang SEC registration. There's no way we can trace yung information kung kanino ba tong cred balance na to. Ang nakita lang natin is this was uploaded by Sandal Code sa Google Play Store. So, with these red flags na nakita natin, wag na po nating subukan mag-apply dito or i-enter ang ating personal information. Kasi napaka-importante po ng ating personal information, hindi natin alam kung sino yung pinagbibigyan natin. So, sobrang mag-ingat po kayo dito sa unknown app na to na tinatawag na cred balance. For our question of the day, kung kagipitan po ba at gipit na kayo at kailangan nyo talaga ng pera, i-risk nyo po ba ang personal information nyo na sa ganito? Kunyari, for example, itong app na to, i-enter nyo para makapag-apply ng loan without knowing kung legit ba tong kumpanya na to na nagpapautang? Ano sa tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Brian Keith Biri. Sabi niya, pa-shoutout Sir Pat, grabe taas naman ang interest niyan. Kay Brian Keith Biri, shoutout sa iyo and thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!